right here.
Dude, it's not often that we actually get like just a walk right on the plane.
Yeah, we're the last ones on the plane.
I know. It's actually really nice. Good.
Yeah,
We are here today in Houston, Texas at the CUGC Citrix User Group Community. We are here with Carl Webster and Richard Faulkner, and we're speaking, we're meeting with people, we're talking about experiences, we're just having a lot of fun. We're just really excited to be here.
Cool.
And we wanted to talk for 10 minutes.
All kinds.
Certainly. Rubber pen. Those are good pens.
So we do things like assessments, things like what is a CTB Fellow?
A fellow is someone like me and
So
Steve.
you're a fellow.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
We got a Lifetime Achievement Award from Citrix, so we're CTPs for life. Where unlike Rich has to renew every year. Need
Eight more years.
Yeah, largemouth bass.
Guarantee
minnow.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Oh no.
I just found out that Carl Webster is a CTP Fellow, which Richard Faulkner is not. Carl referred to him as a minnow, and Webster referred to himself as a largemouth bass.
You got anything to say?
I don't know that I would ever refer to myself as large mouth.
I feel like my flesh is melting off of my body in there.
Oh.
How you doing, sir?
All right, so this morning we got to hear from Patrick Coble, who informed us of how insecure we were and with a bunch of security things that we needed to do. Then Jason Samuel came in and talked to us about FIDO2 and passwordless and usernameless even authentication, which I'm looking forward to because I hate having to put in a username and password all the time every time I turn around. I've also had a good time visiting with a lot of people, handing out swag and making friends. We've also done some cybersecurity work for them. We're in the process. We maintain their Exchange environment. We're in the process of migrating them from Exchange 2016 to Office 365. Full event going on here at XL.
So I was trying to say this is a 747.
It is.
Dude, this is this.
That's a 747.
So 747s are bigger than 777s.
Yes.
How? Why? Why is the numbering that way?
Because it was when they were made, or invented, not when they were, or not the size of the plane.
That doesn't make sense. So the Boeing 717 was it in 1917?
No, it's just that was the,
You know what I'm saying?
they
You know
built
what
the
I'm saying?
707 first, then they built the 717, then the 720.
Do I need to hook it on there somehow?
I don't think any lives were lost.
Yeah, I mean, I think we did pretty good. So it's fine.
No, dude, I don't like the picture of you taking. Please, no photos.